Apostle will hear of this.
Eh?
Pregnant?
Didn't I told you not to order the shift? Why, Mom? Huh? What's wrong? Don't you know that no matter how you try to remove it, you are going to create some microtears on your skin, which makes you susceptible to infections like staphylococcus and staphylococcus. How did you know? You can Google it now and argue with the gurus on the internet. Simple thing anymore. This is the third time of filming this, God. Nothing, and I mean nothing, has changed my life drastically than this single strategy that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. And this single strategy has been what I've been implementing on myself whenever I feel stuck with work or I don't just understand the flow aspect. I just want to be this guru productive guy of a thing. And me implementing this single strategy has actually elevated me working with, myself and just delivering works at the right time. So the idea for making this video actually came when I was chatting with a friend of mine, and she asked me this question and she was like, Faiz, what skill do you think I can learn online? And after talking for about 15 to 13 minutes, he actually concluded on what to do, which was the whole idea. That is not the strategy I want to share with you, but the strategy was knowing me, having my contacts, which I don't mean you should really have my contacts, contacting me and asking me this question, which you believe I'm going to be delivering the answer to her at the right time. Which is what leads to the single strategy I just want to share with you too. And the strategy is all about networking, network as a whole. I don't mean the Ethel network or Glow network that I use because it's really bad. So have you heard of this statement that show me your friend and I will tell you who you are? This statement only implies that me looking at you or me knowing your friends, I can actually talk about you or give some personalities or attributes about you. And I believe you can't dispute the fact that sometimes the environment we put ourselves in or we find ourselves actually adds to how intelligent we are. And that is only if you want to argue with the gurus of the internet. That is when you don't accept to that fact. And a lot of you still watch this video and walk away without subscribing to the channel. Just kidding. And a lot of you still watch this video and still yet walk away without doing nothing. So you watching this video hasn't helped you, but I'm gonna be saying the reality with you. You listening to podcasts, watching videos like this does not change your behavior, and it's all because you haven't learned it. You only have this information in your brain, which brings to the conclusion of this video. Just make sure you're finding yourself at the right environment at the right time, so that you will be informative on some information that is going on the internet. I don't know if that makes sense. So if I want to wrap everything up, I'm just gonna be telling you that you should make sure you're finding yourself at the exact place you should be, so that you will get the right thing you expect yourself to get. Now I believe this question is gonna be popping in your brain, which is, how did I want to start to network, or how did I want to start networking? You actually did one, which is you clicking on this video and watching till this end, if that is what you actually did. But the fact is, this shouldn't be the last video you'll be watching all about self-growth or discipline yourself. So as you all know who I am Faiz, and Faiz is light, and the light is from the source. The source is God, and God is God. So I want you to smash the like button if you like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet already, and I will be seeing you in the next video. But before I go, I really need to tell you this, that I love you so much and I care about you. So just kidding.